Hello YouTube, just wanted to do a quick video today on the Voyager. I got the engineered adapters in for the speakers. So we're going from 5 1/4 to 6 1/2. And right in the middle of the video, ran into an issue. I'm going to go over the issue with you. And then once I get some different speakers in, I'll upload the video next week once I get the good speakers in. Sorry about the mess on the table here. So basically, everything's going pretty good. I got the adapters, started on the video, did the adapter ring. I got Polk DB 651 since I already had the 521s in the back. I figured I'd match them, that way they look the same. So basically I'm pulling out this little guy here, and starting doing this with my iPhone and putting in the bigger speaker so we get some more bass out of this thing. Now the problem with the Polk I ran into is when you drop it in, this 6 1/2 frame, the screw holes do not line up. And there's not enough room around the frame to even drill it in. So if you're going to do this, do not do a Polk speaker. The smaller Polks have the mounting tabs around them, so as you can see, if it was bigger, it would grab under a mounting tab. I've got the Pioneers that I put underneath the fairing for the closed-in look. Now the Pioneer actually has mounting tabs, and they line up perfectly with the mount once you spin it around where you want it at. So you actually hook these tabs under here and mount these Pioneers. I just don't like the Pioneers. They look pretty cheesy. Again, they came from Walmart for like 40 bucks a piece or a pair. Not the best speaker in the world. Now the next thing I noticed when I did this was these frames look like they would hold a 6 3/4 inch speaker if it was mounted properly. So what I did is I went online, went to Amazon, everyone's favorite shopping store, and I ordered a pair of Fosgate 6 1/2, and I went ahead and got a pair of 6 3/4. Whichever one doesn't fit, we'll go back. So if I can get a 6 3/4 in there, I'm going to get more cone, which means I'm going to get more bass. So we're going to put the biggest speaker as possible. Again, just a little update, engineered adapters, if you do buy them before I get the video uploaded, do not buy Polk speakers. Buy something with a mounting flange around it.